Okay guys, this is it. First, spread po natin ang primer. Yan. Marinate po ang face. Babara ng primer, konting massage, pampabuhay ng face. Yan. Spread all over. Kailangan fair lang para hindi magtampo lahat ng parte ng muka. Yan, spread. Okay. Next is the eyeshadow primer. A pinch of eyeshadow primer on both sides of your eyelid. Yan, lagay-lagay lang. Pak, pak. Yan, mukhang tanga. Next, spread. Yan. Para nagpahid ng muta, ganun ang dating. Yeah, cute. Next is eyebrow powder. Lagay lang sa kilay kasi nga eyebrow. Alaman sa lips. Okay. Apply lang evenly. Pag maganda ka, konting effort lang. Pero pag pangit, focus. Focus lang. Tsaka pananampalataya. Yan. Okay, die beautiful. Kailangan pantay para hindi magmukhang tanga.
Hello! So now, we're gonna use eyeshadow in the color Jasper. And blend lang siya sa eyelids. Blend, blend, blend. So now, we're gonna use the color Topaz. Topaz. And blend lang siya ulit. Blend, blend. Now, we're gonna use the color Bronzite. Bronzite. Now, blend lang ulit siya. Now, mix citrine on Tiger Chuchu. Apply it on the crease area. Kasi sabi niya crease daw yon. And blend lang siya ulit. Blend, blend, blend. Now, we're gonna use the color Topaz. Put it on the crease area again. And blend, blend, blend it again. Now we're gonna use the color Hematite. Apply the rest on the lower lash line. And the color Obsidian. Yun nilalagay niya lang dun sa parte ng eyelids niya. Now, nag-eyelash curler siya. So, ayan, ginagamit niya daw yung Nichido eyelash curler. Yung ninipit niya ang kanyang pilik mata para mag-curl malamang. Hindi pa rin siya tapos. Ayun, mamaskara na siya. Yan, nilalagay niya lang yun sa pilik mata niya. Again, of course. And, nilalagay niya pa rin. Okay, bye-bye.
Conceal time. Use the Revlon concealer. Put it on under your eye. Yan, tapos, yan, lagay lang ng lagay. Pati sa kabila. Now, blend using the blender. Blend nyo lang siya ng blend hanggang sa maging kakulay ng skin niya. Yan. Yan, blend lang ng blend. Blend, blend, blend. Gawin rin yan sa kabila ng mata. Foundation time. Put everything, just dot everywhere. Blend using the pink brush. Blend it in your mouth, not mouth. Above the mouth, under the mouth. Yan, cheeks. Yan, sa mouth. Mouth, cheeks. Sa cheeks na tayo. Nose. Sa gitna ng nose. Pero blend rin. Isang dot lang sa nose, blend rin. At sa noo na po. Blend sa noo. Hanggang sa mawala yung mga scar. Stretch marks. Blend lang ng blend. Kalimutan yung mga titira. Huwag ka mapahiya. Blend. Now it's contour time. Put in your cheekbones, in your sides of your nose, middle of your nose. Now blend using the blender. Blend. Blend ng blend hanggang sa karoon ng texture. Yun. Pati sa noo, lagyan. Blend. Kabila naman. Kabila, blend. Now, blend din yung sa ilong. Pwede mo gamitin yung brush. Okay. Now, it's conceal time. Blend it. Blend lang ng blend. Hanggang sa, tapos, yan. Yan ang finish. Pati rin pala sa underneath the eyebrows, like the eyelids, but not in the eyes. Now between the eyes. Now blend. Blend sa underneath. Blend everywhere. Blend. Ayan na po.
Hello again! For the lips, kailangan mo siyang i-moisturize para soft and luscious lips. And now, ginagamit niya is Colourpop. Yan, nalagay niya lang sa kanyang lower lip. And now, sa upper lip niya naman nilalagay. Hintay-hintay lang. And yun, pak, ganun. Tinanggal niya na, yes, yes. Oh, pag ganun pa. Okay na. Sige na. Ikaw na. Hinalingan eh. Oh, okay na. Okay, stop. Oh my goodness. Okay na ba? Okay. Oh my god, okay, baba.
I unzip the bag to watch it fall while I kiss your neck and shoulders. No, don't be afraid to show it off. I'll be here ready to hold you. Girl, you know you're perfect from your head down to the heels. Don't be confused by my smile, 'cause I got more real. For real, thou dost turn the light and close the door. Oh, I love that dress, but you won't need it anymore. No, you won't need it no more. Let's just kiss till we're naked, baby. There's such on the floor. Ooh, take it off from me now, girl. Versace on the floor. Ooh, take it off from me now, girl. Dance. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Bye!